teacher. In this video, I will talk about the logistic regression. What is a logistic regression? Logistic regression is a supervised learning classification algorithm used to predict the probability of a target variable. The nature of a target or dependent variable is dichotomous, which means there would be only two possible classes. In simple words, the dependent variable is a binary in nature, having data codes as either one stands for success or zero stands for failure. Mathematically, a logistic regression model predict, like we can say, p y equals to 1 as a function of x. It is one of the simplest machine learning algorithms that can be used for various classification problems such as spam detection, debt prediction, cancer detection. Types of logistic regression. Generally, logistic regression means binary logistic regression, having binary target variables, but there can be two more categories of target variables that can be predicted by it. Based on those number of categories, logistic regression can be divided into following types. The first type is binary or binomial. This type, in such a kind of classification, a dependent variable will have only two possible types, either 1 and 0. For example, these variables may represent success or failure, yes or no, or win or loss. The second type is multinomial. Multinomial, in such a kind of classification, a dependent variable can have 3 or more possible unordered types, or the types having no quantitative significance. For example, these variables may represent type A or type B or type C, for example. The third type is ordinal. Ordinal logistic regression is also kind of classification, but dependent variable can have 3 or more possible ordered types, or the types having a quantitative significance. For example, these variables may represent poor or good, very good, excellent, and each category can have the sources like 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we have linear regression and logistic regression. Linear regression and logistic regression are the two famous machine learning algorithms which come under supervised learning technique. Since both the algorithms are of supervised in nature, hence these algorithms use leveled data set to make the prediction, but the main differences between them is how they are being used. The linear regression is used for solving regression problems, whereas logistic regression is used for solving the classification problems. The description of both the algorithm is given in this table. But linear regression is used to predict the continuous dependent variable using a given set of independent variable, but logistic regression, we can say, is used to predict the categorical dependent variable using a given set of independent variable. And linear regression is used for solving regression problem, but logistic regression is used for solving classification problems. In other words, in linear regression, we predict the value of continuous variable, but in logistic regression, we predict the value of categorical variables. And In linear regression, we find the best fit line by which we can easily predict the output, but in logistic regression, we find the C-curve by which we can classify the samples. And the linear regression least square estimation method is used for estimation of accuracy. But in logistic regression, maximum likelihood estimation method is used for estimation of accuracy. And the output of for linear regression must be a continuous value such as price, age, the output of logistic regression must be a categorical value such as 0 or 1, yes or no.